You can use SpreadsheetWeb to integrate your workflow calculations, add export capabilities, and even build your own web interface for a customized view on Zoho. Create online coding tools or calculators from Excel spreadsheets and then utilize them in your Zoho account without any coding. Let's take a look at how SpreadsheetWeb apps integration works with Zoho. Begin by selecting a contact. Next, search and install SpreadsheetWeb apps from the marketplace and authorize application access. You will now see a SpreadsheetWeb button on that board. Once authorized, you can connect your SpreadsheetWeb applications to Zoho. If you don't already have a SpreadsheetWeb account, you can sign up for a free trial account from spreadsheetweb.com. This is a homeowner's insurance coding tool created in Excel. It calculates a premium rate based on the coverage and other details entered by the user. And here's the same application created on SpreadsheetWeb. Begin integrating your application by going into the SpreadsheetWeb button. Your applications will be listed on this page. First, enter a friendly name for your application view, and then copy its link and identifier. Next, select the input and output fields you would like to use. You can use the auto-populate feature to automatically add all input and output fields with matching names. For this, you need to create properties on Zoho, and these names must exactly match the SpreadsheetWeb names. When you're done, click Save to save your changes in the application settings. Once the application is configured, you can press the Run button to launch the application. All application features such as print or email notifications will be available. If you created properties for any of the input fields used in the web application and map them, the web application will load that information automatically when you run it. Simply enter the details for your contact and press Save. The system will save any input and output fields defined in the application settings under this contact. You can access this data just like any other Zoho property. With this integration, you can implement complex calculations you built in Excel into your workflow.